Welcome to episode 3 of This Old Bug. Won't you stay a while? Okay, so I'm actually not done working on the car this weekend. Normally I do these at the end of the weekend when I'm done. As you can see, I still have a mess to clean up. What we did today, though, is tear out the dashboard. So now the interior is almost completely taken apart. The dashboard in these cars is gross. So I'm going to try and get a conversion to make it look more like the metal dashes from the early and mid 60s. Those ones are my favorites. The plastic padded dashboards that they put in from 68 on are just gross. So I'm going to try and replace that with something a little more modern. In the Super Beetles, this is something they did specifically in these curved window Super Beetles, is the whole wiring harness runs basically just under the dashboard here. It's just held on with these little clips like that under the dashboard, and basically like your knees can hit on it and stuff. I don't really like that, so when we do the new dashboard conversion, I'm going to see if I can get one that hides this in some kind of a conduit or something. And then the fuse panel, I'm going to do all modern. I'm going to rewire the whole car because I don't like these old fuse styles. And you can see the how old these connectors and everything are. This car is, what, the 73 was almost 50 years ago. The original orange color. Interesting thing too, I took off the glass, and we found a fourth paint color. It's this like khaki. Now we still think that orange was the original color of the car, because if you look here, you can see that there's orange peel underneath the disgusting khaki. Now you may have noticed I just said fourth paint color, not third. And that's because in the engine compartment here, you can see there's a blue color that somebody has painted this at some point in time. And it's not as obvious in the front because it's so dirty, but all this that looks black is actually blue. I didn't notice that until I started cleaning up the gas tank, which, by the way, I also tore out the gas tank. That the gas tank had been painted blue, and again, the orange is underneath everything, so we still think the original color is orange. Took fenders off, got new wheels and tires. Well, not wheels, just got new tires. I discovered that I don't think I mentioned this before, every tire only had 2 lug nuts. So every wheel is missing 2 lug nuts. It's not a big deal right now because I'm not driving the thing, obviously. But we're just getting closer and closer to doing the body work to get the car to the point where I can actually start shopping for motors and transmissions. Pretty soon we're just going to start taking the body off so that I can start restoring the pan underneath and really start getting this car roadworthy again. Yeah, it's a big project. But I couldn't just let this car die.